What's going on, YouTube? This is Terry with Terry's Theories. Alright, I got something I want to show you on Google Moon. And I did a video on this a while back, and there's a reason why I'm touching back on it. Alright, check this out. This is found on Google Moon. And what do you believe this looks like? Well, to me, I know it can't be, but it looks like a giant insect, and I know there's not a giant insect on the moon. I'm not a wackadoo. All right, but just check this out, and bear with me. All right, we got a leg there. It appears to be some kind of antenna or some kind of appendages in the front there. Now, this is crazy. I don't know if Google is left an Easter egg just to mess with us. But I found lots of strange things on Google Moon. Now I'm going to measure this in feet for us. From one end to the other, 4,391 feet. That's the length, and the width of this guy is 1,972 feet. So that being said, this dude is pretty big. All right, now check this out. What's stranger than one giant insect on the moon? Yeah, you said it. 2 giant insects on the moon. I thought one might, but check this out. Here we go. Much thicker than the last one. The coordinates on this guy right here. Come check it out, Google Moon, and take a look at it yourself. Alright, now the length on this dude is 3,374 feet. Holy cow. Not quite as long as the first one, but still pretty long. And the width on it is 2,651 feet. Now, I'm not saying, and I do not believe in giant insects. But damn. I'm not a wackadoo, but what is this? How can this be up here? That's what it looks like. I'm not saying that's what it is. We got one leg, 2 legs. We got something going on right there and underneath. It is humongous. Absolutely humongous. I couldn't believe it when I found it. Go check it out. Tell me what you think. Please like and subscribe to my strange channel, and I'll share with you what I find. That's it. I just wanted y'all to check this out. My name is Terry, and this is Terry's Theories. Terry out.